My name's Oscar, and I've had a problem with my Whirlpool washing machine. I've been working on troubleshooting one component at a time. Gotten down to the motor level, and I've been looking all over the internet trying to find some kind of wiring schematic to show me how to test this motor, either by ohming out the windings or wiring it up to power test it. So here's what I've found so far. This is the motor model number. All right. Went to my local hardware store, I bought some alligator clips, chopped up a computer cable, what used to be a computer cable. So here I've only got 3 wires, white, orange, yellow. There's 4 leads. This is a chassis ground. This is going to be your neutral and your hot. This one here will operate in one direction, and this will be the reverse. As we can see here, everything operates correctly. Nice smooth rotation. This is now spinning in the clockwise rotation. I'm going to take my hot, move it over one. Flip the switch. Now we rotate in the opposite direction. This is a single speed motor, just forward and reverse. Very basic. And I've just tested the motor, make sure it does work properly. So last thing this leaves as a possible culprit is the control board for the washer. Hope this helps anybody out there.